Yeah, boys. Let's go. I'm back and I'm better. Back and I'm better. I'm over it. We're going to win these 150s because that's what we do. Good morning. Hope y'all are ready. Like I'm ready. It's a day for money. You feel me? You understand though? Gosh. Oh, golly, golly, golly. I found a short here yesterday with my XFAs. This candle stopped me at. I found a short here yesterday with my XFAs on this candle. And this candle stopped me out. So, in case you were curious how we ended up here, retrading 50s. I gotta get my copy accounts going here. Copy trading. Bink. Bink, 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 bink. Oh, bink. Save. Let's go to our risk. Oh, put my leader on. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this, sir. Gosh. We found a short here, boys, yesterday. This candle stopped me out. Take a peek one more time. We took short on the 07 candle, and at 010 we were stopped out. Oh. What's up, Elijah? We here, King. A little bit on time action. You feel me? A little bit on time. Nothing crazy. Couple minutes. Gosh, we found a short yesterday at I could fucking. Some days you're meant to have it, some days you're meant to be in second. I guess today we're in second place, boys. Let's fucking go. How you doing, Elijah? How was your night, brother? How'd your trading day end, and how's your night starting, King? Or your day starting? Let's get some money going. In balance, we officially inverted, so that's cool. Made back most of Friday's move, or just crazy. Monday, Gucci ended up 3,000. Hell yes, you did, sir. Sounds like a good day to me. Sounds like a good day to me. Let's fucking go. Market opens here in 30 seconds. Drum roll, please. Let's get some motherfucking money. What does she got for us, NASDAQ? I think I'm feeling a little bearish. I feel like we're gonna come test this price. I feel like she gave us a good entry there. Opening print candle here. Opening print candle. Let's see what we get, boys. Dave, back on the combines. Welcome in, Dave. I am good, sir. Back to the combines. Yesterday we blew up some XFAs. The end of the life of them. Real quick, I just do want to show. First time I've seen you in here, Dave. Let me show you something, brother. We took a short yesterday at the 10:07 candle. I only had very little drawdown in our XFAs. At 10:07 we get stopped out. I had to put a break even on after this candle. Took a short at 10:07. And got stopped out at 10:10. That's yesterday. That's those are the XFAs being killed. Here we go. Nice volume off this pump to the VWAP. Opening print candle brought us down to the 151s. We're getting some strength into the 200s now. Buys are appearing to be in the NASDAQ at the moment. Excuse me. London session inverted. No, we didn't. So we still have Asia bottom and London bottom here. Let's go see what we get to. Nice strength though. At least can anticipate the 25s coming now. See what the reaction is there. But yes, Dave, unfortunate, good sir. Hope you're making some money though on this fine Wednesday. You too, Elijah. Let's get some motherfucking vibes. Some money's going, eh? Here at the 210s. Kind of interested to see what happens to these 26s at London High. And then also interested at least these like 30, 40 prices. So gonna be patient so far. Liking the strength on the NASDAQ right now though. Finding some extension off the VWAP. Opening print candle. 168 was opening print price. Finding the 200s. Into the 210s. We're going to get filled to the 192s if we get a pullback below these 200s. I feel like we're clear to at least these 20s. 2030s. We'll see what we can get out of it. It's a Tuesday. We have no news. We're at the 202s here. See if we can get through a few more points back to our fill price. Feels like that might have been the EMA touch there that we were seeking. Price is back to the 209s after getting below to the 196s. Might have been as low as we get. I was looking for the 92s. Looking for this to extend back to the 27s if we do get a fill here. But we see, eh? But we will see, because it's appearing that this is going to be the EMA rotation and we are not going to get a fill. All right. Well, she's trying the 20s out. We're going to take our order off now. As we get missed, we get the mist. All right. Well, I guess another big interest spot would be kind of in around these 70s, 80s, maybe 300 whole number. So, see what happens here. See what happens here. Taking out this. Did we just take out the high? Yes, we did. We just took out London High there with a pump. Pump up to the 27, swept the high. This was what we were hoping to get filled on and be in for. Now that we're at the top of this range and didn't get a fill, gonna be patient. We've already swept London High, so we could come down and sweep London low. It's not impossible. It's not impossible. It's always it. Market's only been open for 6 minutes. Be safe. Keep your accounts alive. No reason to rush anything. No reason to rush, boys. We're back to combines. Fuck. I don't want to be here. I don't want to be on these combine shit. See if we can get through these 150s. It's a little bit more expensive. A little bit more expensive now. So, higher risk. Got to get funded, but then we have a more drawdown if we do get funded. So, yeah, like I said, not so interested in this level anymore now that we did take out that London High. So we can just kind of observe now, see if we get some rotation. You can kind of see we rejected that 220s. Now we're pushing back into the 170s there, about 50 points off the top after sweeping that. Trying back into opening print price here. I'm going to start averaging into this, I think. If we can get a fill in around this price. Let's sell 2 here. Come get me, Nazi. We're looking right above. We're short 2 here. We're going to average in. Looking below. Looking below. If we get through the VWAP, we should be doing pretty safe with this trade. We get below the VWAP, I'm going to add in. If we get in below these 150s, I'm going to add some more to this trade. Wanting to see some continue to be rejected here. VWAP's going to be the obstacle for our trade now. Into the EMA now. I'm going to add 1 at the EMA. If we get a pop into this price again, we didn't really get a chance before it turning on me. Oh, Nazi Nazarax. Below the VWAP is going to be our telltale here. Opening print price is also right here, so patience. See what we get. I like to see this move right through this opening print price bottom. Try through the VWAP. If we get through these VWAP prices at the 150, I'm going to add some more. If we start seeing some selling coming through this VWAP, I'm going to add some more now. See if we get through this opening print candle price. It's going to be a little bit of an obstacle here. We're teasing it. We're teasing it. Got to see this bottom breakout. We're holding a wick on the previous opening print candle. Don't necessarily love it. Want to see it give it up. Another wick isn't ideal. Feeling decent about it. Like I said, we get below these this VWAP price, I'd consider adding in. My brother, top of the morning. Mar, what's up, buddy? Been missing you lately, King. How you doing, brother? How'd your trading day go yesterday? We officially are back to combines now. Officially back to combines, good sir. Running the 150 since we're only allowed 10 on Topstep now, so we're going to be officially sizing up a little bit more. The numbers are going to be bigger. Bigger money, bigger risk. Let's get it. Seeing if we can get below this opening print candle bottom at the 155s. If we can find some extra selling here, I like it. Don't love that we're finding some support at the VWAP, but EMA is protecting us, so we'll be patient here. We did sweep the bottom, though. Keep that in mind. So, see if we can get some extension. Manager in the office, I have you in my earbud, but I can't be watching and typing. Good luck, boys. Hell yeah, Saucy. Love you, buddy. Take it easy. Good luck at work. Good luck at work, sir. I'm going to add some more into this now that we're getting this to finally break through a little bit. I'm going to take 2 more right here. We're now in 4 contracts. Hoping to see this hold below the EMA and the VWAP here. Keeping our risk tight. Keeping our risk tight. We got below opening print price. We're back to the EMA and below VWAP. If we can get this to hold below VWAP, we should be doing decent. If we continue to support VWAP, not going to be ideal for our trade here. Got to see the sellers try to get this thing back below that price again now. Unfortunately, VWAP's kind of being an anchor there, so we'll be cautious. If we get below the VWAP here by the sellers and get this to hold back below opening print price, we should be doing pretty decent. And we're only looking for 4,500, so we'll see if we can get it. Looking for something like that, which is actually London low, which is pretty ideal at this point. We'll see if the buyers can get this to get back support. We're finding a little bit of support at the VWAP. Wanted to see the sellers kind of hold it down there. We'll keep observing. All right. Looks like they might be trying to support it. It's sad to think that our stop is susceptible to just getting wicked out of here, but we'll see. Decent support back and forth. Selling is clearly popping up here, but so is buying. Who's going to absorb? Who's going to win? Let's find out. Not the biggest fan that we found some support there at the bottom of the 15-minute range and VWAP. So just going to be observing here. Ideally, we didn't really get this extension to compress above the EMA after we got that break there. Holding into this imbalance. Wanting to see how price reacts here. I don't love where our stop is, unfortunately. There's a 5-minute fair value gap that has been holding support on NQ, more accurate on ES if we fail to break below long to be in tie. Yep. Well, I just got smoked as you're saying that, King, so it's tough. I was hoping to see this bottom breakout here. Instead, we found some support. Going sideways now. There goes to that one, Mar. She left us, brother. Happens, not too bad. 3-lot trade off morning rejection. Good work, sir. Took a 3-lot up here. If they get through this top, we know where we're going. I'm driving, so I'm in. Yes, sir, Elijah. Yes, sir. Found some support off the VWAP. Supported the bottom of the 15-minute price as well. Failing to break out of the top, but we're still hanging out in this range. I was in buys. Yes, sir. Good long off the VWAP then. Way to catch that momentum. I'm in longs, 5 lots on ES, 17-point move, what I'm looking for. Word. My boys are looking long. Y'all are looking long. I'll go with the squad. Let's see what we get. I'm going to start averaging into a long then. Let's see what we get. The buying is supporting the VWAP. Gonna start averaging into a long here. Maybe. Gotta get a fill though. We got to get the fill here though. Alright. 2 contracts in at the 87s. Let's be patient here. See if we can get some rotation. Average in if we can clear above our previous stop. around this range of the 208 if we can get a hold. I'm practicing since it's a range and I'm driving fast moves though. How are you driving it in on a tight time frame chart? Because I know you're trading a tight trade. We're gonna start averaging into this a little bit here. I'm in 3 now. Now that we're getting some validation. Sadly, I need, what do I need? 66. Ugh, gross. This is why you don't want to take an early loser, because then you just get cooked looking for bigger moves. Morning, how you feeling, Kid Savvy? Dude, I'm feeling all right. You know, back to XFA or combine, so it doesn't feel fantastic, and I'm already took a big old L on this as well. So, you know, we're hanging in there, kid. We're hanging in there, brother. We know that it's just another day. How you doing, brother? Welcome in. Happy you're here. 5-point stop on the ES trade. I'm practicing since it's ranging. Sniper focus, king. Yes, sir. You have that. You do have snipes, Elijah. You've been dialed in, but that's crazy. You're on that 5K on that buy. Nice buy, dude. We're 3 lots in from the 98s, looking for some extension. Because of our current trade, we're needing to see the 306s trade. Getting some validation. I'm into another lot now. We're in 4. Just going to be patient. See if we can get this thing to keep extending for us. Want to hope to see some extension off of this previous top and not have this turn around on us. The more closed we get with some strength on this wick, just some more support it looks to see. Current profit 1,000. TP is 4.3K. I'm currently looking for the 23,306s in the NASDAQ. Feels a little bit high, but at the same time, she's pumping off the VWAP, off the support. We'll see what we can get. EMA's now at least coming to support our averaged in price now. Elijah Facts, bit of a rangy day today, especially if we keep staying between these levels. Reasoning for only a 17-point move on ES left is the range that it could hit. Staying in this range. Your boy's looking for some extension. Your boy's looking for some extension within the range. Sadly, I would really like to take profit more at this level here. Actually, we just hit a decent level as well at those 36s, sadly. Tricky. Could be ranging. Getting pushed right back in towards our EMA price. Seeing a decent rotation there. Decent rotation off that price. Into the EMA already. No support after that extension. So we did take into this level, into yesterday's VWAP. Immediately finding some selling. Buying's looking a little weaker now. See if we can get a hold at this EMA. This trade will essentially bust us if we don't. Holy shit. No love. No love, buyers. As we got to this this VWAP from yesterday's price and swept this high as well, but sells came in and now we're just kind of hanging out. Nearly a dead price. It's compressed below the EMA now. Might be murdered on this trade here, boys. Might be murdered. Can't even get back into the EMA price. Top of the range. Doesn't feel good here. Just got hit for break even. Yeah, I think we're dead. I think we're dead here, Mar. Struggling to compress below the EMA. VWAP's down below. If we even get some more extension, this counts are pretty much cooked. So Fuck. This is why is struggling. Yeah, finding no support after sweeping that price. Holy shit. Just back and forth trading. Absolutely horrendous. Wow. I'm speechless. I'm really frustrated after that one. Might take one more if we do go above again. You knew it rained today? Well, that's that knowledge then, Elijah. Good shit. So yeah, you're seeing how it is, Kid Savvy. Just fucking tilted. Like, I get wicked out and then it fucking flies. Like, I don't know, man. 192. Like, I don't fucking know, man. What the hell? Sometimes I just really don't fucking like trading. You know what I mean? Like, are you fucking serious? Yeah, so that's today, boys. Honestly, not even... Just not in the mood. Just fucking been losing all day. All week. Blew our XFAs. Struggled Monday. Struggled yesterday. Today's been just a rinse and repeat. Got a snipe today. Yes, sir, Mar. In and out, bro. I just love that we essentially get bottom ticked and then this thing just continues the extension. It's just fucking, it's beautiful. Like, look at this. It's beautiful. We'd be at, this is back to where we were almost up $2,000. The difference of blowing our account to being up 2,000 is this trader here, is where we're at right here. $4,000 swing there. Obviously, that's going to happen with more leverage. But, man, that's frustrating as fuck. Oh, yeah, just keep extending after just having absolutely an unnecessary 3 candles down to back to VWAP. Like, totally just keep extending. Love it. Just unnecessary. What is this? 39s to the 75. A 60-point drop just to retrace it. Like, dude. Oh, this is just the game of being a trader. Sadly, days compound. I'm still fucking annoyed from yesterday, obviously, and just losing money now. I mean, this is already $1,500 that we spent on combines. Already $1,500. That's just annoying. Another 2K. So that's 7. Fuck yeah, bro. Ty, losses come and go. Go back in the office and lock in. Keep improving your strat. It's what comes with the game. You're dead ass, Mariano. He's right. Listen to our boy Mar. Marino's been here. He's been trading. He knows the game. It's just frustrating. Like, it's just frustrating, bro. Just hit 4K profit here. Hell yeah, Mar. Yeah, should be in this long with you. Should be in longs. We took an early fucking loss short for no reason, so that helped. Yo, man. What's up, Spitzy? How we doing, King? Yeah, we traded early today, bro. How was the trading today? Not good. I took a short. Where did I take a short? At this 18 candle. Or something like... No, where did I take a short? Yeah, I took a short at the 18. Averaged in below here. Got stopped out. Once the long is validated above this top, I took a long. Like around here. Added in again. Got ripped. And now we're completely underwater even though we had the buy at 60s. We had the buy, but got fucking stopped out first. And now we would be literally chilling right now. So, yeah, it feels bad, Spitzy. Today's not a good day. It feels bad, buddy. Do you have Discord? I do have Discord, Elijah, yeah. But not for, like, trading or nothing. It's just a personal one. That's the new combine? Dude, yeah. Yeah, it's that bad, bro. It's that fucking bad, bro. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, it's that bad, King. It is a bummer, dude. It's already $1,500 I've spent. Started 3 combines today. Fuck yeah, Spitzy. Good luck, bro. I love it. Yeah, $1,500 in the hole already on these new combines. So these new ones are a bit more expensive, boys. How I'm looking at it is because we can only trade 10 XFAs with Topstep a month. It is just worth being able to have the extra leverage. Technically, the more drawdown as well. I mean, if you lose money, you're losing money. So, like, losing $500 2 days in a row is super annoying. But it comes with being able to leverage into more size. So, yeah, I don't know. Really not sure. Go back to square one and build up just one, bro. Build up with just one, bro, as you improve your strat. Trading just off the EMA isn't bad, but fuck, bro, the amount of money you can make when you see the higher time frames. I'm in 1,500 profit in them, but I'm trying a different approach with more risk, less points, and more size. I like that, Spitzy. That's how I use. What's up with our light? Don't do that. Stop doing that. You know that's how I like to trade too, brother. Also, the money that you don't have to lose as well. Is the money you don't have to lose with a count is nice, buddy. Take the 50K combines. The 150K is expensive. It is. It just is expensive, bro. And I feel like it's changing the way I'm thinking about it a little bit. And because I have 15 lots, I feel like I want to use 15 lots, or like not even, but like higher leverage. But I don't know, man. I just don't know, man. How do I send you my number? Your Discord number? Is that what you mean, bro? Here, I'll pull mine up and I'll send you a thing. This is just my personal one. Like I said, I don't have no page or nothing. I don't even know how to find it. No, Mar, I don't know, buddy. I don't know if I'm going to... higher time frame, he's saying. I like to buy at 9:30 open. 9:30 mad guy. Haha. 9:30. I traded today 30 micros, which is 3 minis, and boy, it was interesting. Just to see the price moving quick. It's crazy, huh, Spitz? Good morning, Song Sing. Happy you're in here, brother. 30-point move, and you already like 2K profit. Yeah, dude, it's crazy looking. Elijah, I don't know. I'm not sure if you mean your personal number, brother. What are you talking about? You talking about your Discord number? I'm not sure what you mean. But yeah, Mar. I mean, I don't ignore higher time frames. I just don't look for my entries on a higher time frame. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not looking. Like, I'm not taking them into account. You feel me? I just don't enter on the higher time frames. Obviously, as a trader, you have to consider overall direction. So I have the hourly chart over here. But, I mean, I just don't enter off of that. We'll see. We'll see how it goes, boys. If I get... I don't even know. I'm already 1,500 in the hole. You know what I mean? So, I'm going to play out one set at least. Get in a set funded. See how much it costs to get through one set of 150Ks. With that $750 plus activation. If I pass the next set, that's already going to be $2,250. With activation, it'll be about $3,000. It's pretty gross. So $3,000 if I get my next set. If I pass the next set of combines. And then from there, we'll see what happens. See if we can get a payout out of them. If not, probably just going to run back to the 50s. Not sure. We'll see. Elijah's driving like a madman. Mars making money like a madman. Mar making money like a madman. Like a madman. Mar, I forgot. Ooh, excuse me. Are you a full-time trader? Or you trade you also have another income from work or whatever? I meant phone number. How I send you my number? Why you want? Why? Why do you want me send? Why do you want to send me your phone number? You can text me. Text me. Give me a call. Tell me that you're long and bully me for not being long next to you. No, I'm just trolling. I don't know, Elijah. Just don't want to dox yourself for sure. So I don't know about the comments. I don't know, man. It's been a painful couple minutes or days, boys. Do I just tuck my tail? It's just expensive up here, and I hate it. I hate spend. Oh my fucking god! And then there's the extension. We'd literally still be in this trade other than this bullshit stop out here. Like, I'm gonna snap. I'm gonna snap, Nasdaq. You're mean. You don't like me. God. I like to see today after the 10:30 drop the market. I like to see today after the 10:30 drop the market. So you want to see the 10:30 drop? This is also a price I was worried about finding a reaction to these 50s if we couldn't get through there. And now they're starting to sweep it. Drew, 13. There he is. Bet I'll add that, buddy. How much lot you traded today, Ty? First trade, brother, we took. So I averaged in size 1 and 2. Yeah, these aren't correct. Actually, no, I think this is correct. So I took a short, one contract. I ended up averaging into it. No, wait, this isn't right. No, it is right. Okay, so I added one, added a second one. Once these were in profit, I added 2 more. These 4 got stopped out. And then the second trade, I started with 2 and then added 2 more to average in for 4, and they got stopped out. So both trades maxed out at 4 lots, and neither of them fucking hit at all. So I blew a 150K with the same amount of lots you can trade a 50K. Interessante. The more leverage, man, is just, it's not bad, but I'm cooked. I'm fucking cooked. Drew 137. Stop. God. 135752. It's mentally challenging when each point's a lot of money. It is, but also, like, dude, oh my god. This is literally gonna fly to RTP. I'm gonna fucking snap. No, it is, bro. I know what you're saying, but it's just psychology too at the end of the day. You know what I mean? Like, if I can separate from that just a little bit more, just going higher up in stakes, then we have a lot of opportunity. Because yes, I'm down $1,500 over these 2 days of combines. $750, $750, $1,500 total. Again, if I pass my next one, that's $2,250, and then I fund it, that's another $7, so it'd be $3,000 for the set of 150s if I get them, and then from there, we have a lot of chance to make that 3K back. I mean, that's only 600, 500 in each account, so it's just, I gotta just dial in. I gotta stop watching this market. I'm gonna get fucking mad. I'm gonna get triggered. What were our buys? That was not my last trade. My last trade was not a short, unless these are my last trades. Were these the last trade? How is it fucking? No, it wasn't. 944, 952. Okay, it is updating backwards now. Okay. So I took two. That's not even true, though. And then 948, and then we lost at 952. We lost at 952, boys, at a 173 price. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. At 952 at 173.50. Just keep this in mind. 952 17,375. 17,350. We literally, you're seeing it. Oh my fucking God, I hate it here sometimes. This was what we were looking for. We would have passed our goddamn things. But we didn't. We didn't at all because fucking what the fuck? My luck lately has been ass. And that's my thing is like trading requires the slightest bit of luck. It just does. It just does. And cooked, man. I sent you... I put that number in Discord, brother. Elijah. It's not popping up, man. I put the number Drew 135752. I had to put Drew hashtag 135752. Neither one of those are working, bro. Not sure to why, King. Not sure to why. 135752. Yeah, I don't know, brother. It's 10:08. It's still so early in the market, boys, and I just already am on the precipice of crashing out. Which I will say this as well: trading higher leverage or whatever. I mean, I'd say you'd already be done for the day. I wouldn't. I just, dude, 73.50. Just ass. It's just ass. Like, we should be in this trade. 300. I think I was looking for... I don't even remember. It was just below the 300 whole number. Or even maybe just above it. I don't even... It doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter, boys. We got out of it. Mar, you're trading personal account? I forget. So every time you're updating us on a position, is that personal or is that through XFAs or what is that? Because I think you're up like big lately. We were right though, boys. She's extending. I mean, at the end of the day, excuse me. They're finding higher prices. Overall time frame here. Finding some extension. Retrying the top of this trend line. This is an overall hourly trend line now. That we have this extension, this descending trend. See if the buyers are really going to maintain and hold here. What's your number on Discord? My number on Discord. My number on Discord. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, disable that for now. Damn, Topstep knew I was live, so it wouldn't tell me. Or Discord knew I was live, so you're in streamer mode. No, I am not sad. No, I am not sad. Tyro, hashtag 4819. Is that correct? I don't even know if that's correct. It says my number, originally known as blank. Pushing back into the trend now, boys. Slightly turning at the 286s there, holding the 60s. I was still interested to see the 300s trade. Bum 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 bum. Did you get that, Elijah? Did you get that, good sir? It is 4819. Tyro. Hashtag 4819. I'll type it for you. I don't care. I'll dox myself. This is my Discord. Bada bing, bada boom. Mr. Worldwide, as I step in the room, I'm a hustler, baby. But that's your news. Tonight it's just me and you. Turning at this price, you can see the trend line starting to give us a reaction. We did sweep into yesterday's range pretty deep. Also into Monday's, near Monday's high. I want to be here and hanging out, gang, but I just don't know if I got it in me today. I'm already down a fat amount of money. $1,500. To some people, it's not a lot of money. To me, it's a little bit too much money. Like, I got money, but that's not too much money that I don't want to be just giving away to Topstep. So we'll see. We'll see. It's just been a struggle bus lately, boys. It's just been a struggle bus. Winning, losing, back and forth. Even those XFAs were they were a dogfight, honestly. For me to find the longs and then, oh God, it's just triggering. Look at this rejection from this trend line here. Could be something. Could be something. Could be something. Spitzy, what'd you start then? You start 50Ks or what are you trading? Join us for fast markets. No, Topstep TV. I won't. God. Leave me alone. I started 350Ks. Yeah, you did, brother. Yeah, you did. And you're going to fucking make money with those, King. Come on. No guidance by me today, though. Today, I'm uninvolved. Just picture me as a sideliner, cheering you guys on. Today's not for me. I can feel it mentally. Not dialed in. And yesterday, blown 250K combines and an XFA that I took a 1.5K payout from. I'm going to send you a W, Spitzy. Today, you made some money out of that XFA. It's a fucking W. And B, you traded some XFAs after blowing, or some combines after blowing the XFAs. You stepped back up to the plate. You were willing to try again, and shit just didn't work out, but you did what you had to do. I respect the shit out of that. And I'd also be looking for potentially a short in around this price. We'll see. I don't know. We're finding an extension. But that's fire, man. Good luck with these three. This is dope. Three. Think about it. That 1.5 would be 4.5. You take the same trade 3 times. And now I'm trading 150Ks for the same hope. We're hoping that it's going to extend, but man, it's expensive. It's just fucking expensive, these 150Ks. They don't care about you. Not that they don't like you. It's not that they don't like you. They do. They like you. But they just don't, like, they don't care if you're doing well. You know what I mean? Like, they want you to be doing decent, but they're always going to consider and put their needs just a little bit above yours, and that's okay. I understand. It do be like that. See, Spitz gets it too. It's like not their fault, because at the end of the day, we're all just living organisms that need to take care of ourselves. So, like, the selfishness makes sense. But still, take other people into account. And my only income is the trading. You're a full-time trader? You don't do anything other than sit here in the morning, watch the charts, and make money off that, and that's your only income? Respect, my boy. I only know one other full-time trader, and he's been doing it for a while, a couple of years now. His name is Timothy. He's in here. Yeah, for now it is. Spitzy, that's king shit, brother. It's literally the dream. I have, dude, I've got like 140 hours of work coming up in the next couple weeks to just in like 3 weeks. So that's a normal month of work. I got to spam it in like 2.5, 3 weeks. I'll be paid well. I'll be compensated very, very nicely, but it is going to be a lot of effort and a lot of work. I'm not making life-changing money, but you're employing yourself. That's fucking W, dude. You don't need to be late making life-changing money. You just need to be employing yourself. You're paying your bills. You're feeding yourself. You're not bumming off other people, and you're trading. But for now, I'm making enough to eat every month. God damn, that's dope, dude. That's actually dope. How long you been doing that like that? I trade and make money, but not enough for myself. Not enough for my bank account. Not enough for my for everything. Maybe with these 150Ks, I can hit a goddamn hallelujah. Hit a 22K payout a couple times. That'd be nice. If I could hit that, it'd be schmackshy. But it requires a lot of effort. Today wasn't very good out of me, honestly. Just looking back. My first XFA 2 months ago, I took me 2 weeks and I got to 15K. You got to a 15,000 XFA with one account, 150K, you got to 15K 2 months ago. It's actually king shit, Spitz. And now you could do that 3 times. Yeah, I want to experience it again, bro. That's, yeah. Yes. That's what we need, King. Just a fat run. You had to run good in one. You had to run big. No, run good in a big spot one time. Since that XFA, I just couldn't. That's trading. 2 months ago is not that long ago. You're still dialed in. Bro, I fuck with that, Spitzy. You're close, buddy. One strong set. Again, you run good in a big spot one time. Your life changes. Same with me. Looking to run big and run good in a big spot one fucking time. You just gotta win your all-ins, kid. Just gotta win your all-ins, you know? Song Sing's looking for sells. Hope you had a good day, Song Sing. I love that it's nighttime for you and you're still hanging out with the squad. Still informing us what he's looking at. I don't mind a sell here. We're compressing below the EMA. We're stuck back in this range. We rejected this trend line and rejected this previous VWAP. I don't think sells are too shabby here. Only thing I'd be nervous about, Shang Tsing, is a potential retest in towards this top. Maybe around 240. I'd be looking for a short around the 240s. And I like it. I like it a lot, Song Sing. Especially if we can continue to compress below this EMA. This song just makes you want to dance. Still compressing below the EMA here. I mean, even one trade of 3 to 4K profit in XFA just gives you enough breathing room. Yeah, I know. So true, brother. So true, bro. Here we go, Song Sing. Your sells are looking valid. See if we can get through this previous bottom, though. You have a couple obstacles here for this to be a big trade. Got to get through these 200 hole number and got to get through this VWAP. Those are going to be your 2 obstacles. And then obviously the third one's going to be 50-minute range, opening print price candle, this bottom that we supported previously. So you have 1, 2, and 3 small little obstacles. We get through those, you're chilling. Waiting for confirmation. He never got in. Okay, I see you. Yeah, Spitzy, the one trader I know that's been trading full time, Tim, he's in here sometimes. Man's made like 3/4 of a mil. He's made a lot of money, and he does that with his XFAs, he does not fuck around. He'll either blow his XFA that day or he'll get a strong buffer to that 3-4K day one. Every single day. He gets an XFA or a new set. He always trades sets. He gets a set of XFAs. He either brings them all the way up to 3-4K that day or he'll blow it that day. He doesn't let it sit in that middle bullshit. Me personally, I don't have the gumption. It is goals. One day, brother. We keep showing up, and that's what's going to be happening to us, too. Only reason I'm even playing this game is because I know that he does that. I know that it's possible. I know that his only income is this, and he makes more than anyone else I know. So it's possible, bruh. That's why I tell myself when I'm working. I'm just like, it's possible, bro. Oh, it is. It's fucking possible, boys. Getting below this 200 whole number, though. That's step one. Next one's going to be the VWAP. After this past weeks of being stagnant in trading, I start to believe what you said about Tim. Goals. After this past weeks of being stagnant in trading, I start to believe what you said about Tim. Which part, buddy? You should believe. Number one, you should always believe me. I'm not going to lie to you. Number two, what do you mean? Which part? About the validation of the strategy. Here we go. Here's VWAP. Song saying those shorts when you said it, King, dialed. I said I'll be looking for the 40s. I never got a fill. But now we're pushing into the VWAP. That you need to either blow at the beginning. Oh yeah. Or get enough breathing room from the start. Yes, dude. He has tried to pound that into my head too. That's what I did today. That's what I love, Spitz. It's what you have to do, bro. And now we're getting a rejection off that trend line touch. Man, shorts might actually be in now. Holy shit. It's more risky, of course, but saves you time. It saves you time. It saves you mental currency. This is the big one he talks about. Just you don't get so committed to it, mentally committed to that XFA unless you're got a nice buffer. And then C, most importantly, actually, out of all of it, you make more money, right? So you don't fuck around. Now, the reason it's changed a little bit, and we talked about this too. He's my best friend. We talk every day. But the reason that it's changed the psychology of that strategy a little bit, Spitzy, is because you can't cycle through combines anymore. So you can only have 10 XFAs a month. So say you get a set of XFAs, you try to go for that strategy, try to hit it out of the park or strike out. You strike out, you run another set, you pass them, you strike out. Well, now you're cooked, right? So it's like it's changed a little bit. That was kind of the old method, but even now, I mean, he still treats it that way. He'll still build a buffer instantly or blow him. He's just a good trader and doesn't blow him that much. And then you build that buffer, save yourself some room. Fucking send it. Send it with leverage once you get that buffer, and then you hit one time with leverage, your life changes. He calls it life-setting accounts, life-setting set of accounts, life-changing set, and he's done it 3 fucking times. Life-changing set. Max leverage had a massive move with XFAs, set of 5, just chilling. 5 accounts, 20, 30 grand in them, just chilling. Like a motherfucking king. I love it. Compressing below the EMA, the VWAP here, boys. We could really start to see some extension down in towards London low, the 106s, maybe even Asia low. It is amazing, Spitz. And it's going to be us one day too, King. No fucking doubt. I love it. August 6th. You remember this day. You remember this day, Spitzy. We're going to look back like a couple months from now, probably around Christmas. Or maybe I do. Remember when we were happy with... we were like hoping to get in a set of XFAs back to 10 grand. Bro, we're both going to have a max 5 combines, 5K payout. Topstep limits you down, so max payout, 22,500 after their 10%, and we're going to hit that two times in 1 month, 40K month. That's coming up for us before Christmas. You remember I said this, August 6th, some point before Christmas, we're going to hit a max payout twice in 1 month for a $45,000 a month. That's just what I'm predicting. That's all I'm seeing here. No, but seriously, I'd be really considering shorts here. We're compressing below the VWAP. EMA is rounding down as well. If we get below this bottom, it could be pretty decent. If we get in below this previous opening print bottom of the 56s, we have the hundreds below, and then obviously Asia. I'm with you, brother. Mark this day. Let's fucking go. August 6th. There's nothing. We're a couple months away. A couple months away from real magic. Money-making, life-changing money pre-Christmas. Get to be Santa for our family. Spread the Christmas joy and give everyone some fucking awesome gifts because we're chilling, because we're balling, because we're booling. That's the fucking dream. It's not even the dream. That's reality. That's the thing. Our goals and realities are set in our minds, and they only exist within our fucking beliefs. Let's go. One time, Spitz. I'm excited. I'm excited for you, King, because you're doing the right thing. You're showing up and you're dialed, and that's really most of the fucking work. Showing up every day, and then showing up dialed. I mean, some days, as professionals, think about it this way, too. We're professional traders in any profession. Like professional athletes, professional anything. It requires you to be dialed the fuck in. And so it's like, how are we going to be dialed in every day, all day? You know, some days you don't. Some days you're not. That's why I love only having to like really focus for 2 hours a day. Really focus on this, 2 hours. And you can turn your brain off. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Let yourself breathe. But expecting to be dialed every day, like yesterday, or not yesterday. What day did I crash out? Whatever day I crashed out. That was during this fucking day when I missed this one move Oh, yeah. She's still triggering. 2 minutes news, 2 minutes. Songsin, keep us informed. I don't even have it updated for myself. What is the news? Big short attempt here. What is the news, Songsin? I don't see no news. Nah, I don't either. Crude oil inventories. Fuck yes. Appreciate you, Song Sing. Let's see here. We got about 30 seconds. I don't think it'll be too high impact. But at the same time, price is retesting this VWAP. Opening print price. Support of VWAP. Another bullshit fake test of VWAP that stopped us out. I'm not mad about it anymore, though. And then we get a retest of VWAP again and still finding some more support. News is looking like they're preemptively accepting it. The support of this VWAP is, I wouldn't fade it. It's looking pretty decent here. Maybe impactful on the micro crude oil. It very much could be. Let's actually go see. Just out of interesting. See what happens. Oh yeah, they have news right here. There it is. Looks like a news candle to me. She's dojiing. I love the sound now, just waiting for confirmation. Oh, I could pout about it. I could pout about it all day, though, so whatever. You're wrong today, Tyler. Get over it. You were wrong. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just got to sit there and tell yourself, you were wrong. Shut up. All right, I'm just kidding. Where are you looking for your entry, though? Maybe in around previous range, like these 21s for a short could be decent. Problem is I don't, like I said before, 1, 2, 3-ish tries to support VWAP, and if they continue to support it, I wouldn't fade that necessarily. But all right, gang, I'm just gonna give myself, a little break today, a little bit of grace. We did our best. We showed up. We did what we had to do. It didn't go our way. Another 750. I burned a Topstep today. Doesn't feel good, but again, important. We showed up. We did what we could, and that's it. Spitzy gets it. I'm going to get out of here. I love y'all for hanging out, doing the thing. Good luck, Spitzy, with those combines. Excited to see what tomorrow, what you do with them. I'd love to see that you're halfway through, or, take it slow. You don't need to go crazy. You know what I mean? If you want to, you can. If you don't want to, take your time. Song Sing, you're the man, buddy. Appreciate you stopping in every day at the end of your night or at the end of your day and hanging out with us. Good luck on your shorts if you do get filled. Again, be a little cautious on these VWAP support, but I appreciate you for letting us know, too, about news. Not sure if you're still here driving, Elijah, but be careful, brother. And then I'm sure Mara left a little while ago as well. But y'all are the man. No Juan. Brett's busy. He's got us in his ear. But you're the fucking man, the myth, and the mod. And I think that's our gang today, boys. So, again, y'all are the best. I fucking love you guys. Get some sun. Drink some water. And good night, Song Sing. Cool. Take it easy, boys. Peace.